Hello everyone, this is me, Alexis R. Osorio, and welcome to last quarter in grade 8 mathematics. For today's learning objective, we have state and illustrate the exterior angle inequality theorem. To begin our lesson, let's do this activity entitled Find Me. All you have to do here is to find words related to geometry in the puzzle. Okay, bibigyan ko siguro kayo ng ilang segundo o isang minuto para maghanap ng mga salitang related sa geometry, lalo na nung third grading period. You can pause this slide or this video para makahanap kayo ng mga words na related sa geometry. Okay, so I think these are some of the words that you have encountered. Adjacent, angle, SAS or SAS, inequality, theorem, and triangle. Okay, so did you get the same answer? Okay, very good. Bukod dito, meron pang ibang words na pwede nating makita dito sa puzzle na to, and those are the words that we are going to encounter this fourth quarter, such as remote, exterior, hinge, interior. To continue with, let us consider this triangle. Name the angles in the triangle. Very good. The angles in this triangle are angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. Angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3 are called interior angles. Basically, they are called interior angles because they are inside the triangle. Interior, inside. So that will be our clue. Okay, so what if we are going to extend all the sides of this triangle? It will look like this. Okay, if the sides are being extended, angles will be formed outside the triangle, such as angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8, angle 9, angle 10, angle 11, and angle 12. So since they are outside the triangle, they are called as exterior angle. Exterior angle is an angle which forms a linear pair with one of the triangle's interior angles. Oh, so that is the definition of exterior angle. So meaning to say, it will form a straight line with one of the interior angles. Okay, so hindi pala lahat ng nasa labas na angles ng triangle ay matatawag natin na exterior angle. Bakit? Because it will just form a linear pair with one of the interior angles. So, tignan nga natin. Name the exterior angles in the triangle. So, they are angle 4, angle 6, angle 7, angle 9, angle 10, and angle 12. As you have observed, angle 5, angle 8, and angle 11 are not exterior angle in the interior angles of the triangle. Okay, so they are called as vertical angles. Okay, angle 5 is the vertical angle of angle 1. Angle 11 is the vertical angle of angle 3. And angle 8 is the vertical angle of angle 2. So meaning to say, the exterior angle are the angles that will form a linear pair with the triangle's interior angle. Yung makakabuo lang ng straight line. Let us consider this given. Name the interior angles in the triangle. Very good. The interior angles are angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6 because they are the angles inside the triangle. How about this? Name the exterior angle in the triangle. As we can see, only one side of this triangle is being extended. And based only on the given illustration of the triangle, the exterior angle is only angle 7. Aside from interior angles and exterior angles, we also have this what we call as remote interior angles. These are two interior angles not adjacent to the exterior angle. Ano kaya yung salitang adjacent? Did you still remember the word adjacent? Okay, pag sinabi nating adjacent, adjacent angles because we are talking about angles here. If we are talking about adjacent angles, they share a common vertex and they share a common side. Or sa madaling salita, ito yung angles na magkalapit or magkadikit. Ay ang sabi dito, ang remote interior angles ay ang dalawang interior angles na hindi kalapit ng exterior angle. So tignan nga natin sa figure, meron tayong isang exterior angle dyan na angle 7. So ano kaya ang kanyang magiging remote interior angles? Ito daw yung interior angles na hindi kalapit ni angle 7. What are those? They are angle 4 and angle 5. That's correct. Okay, so kasi ang kalapit ni angle 7 ay angle 6. So basically, angle 6 is not the remote interior angle. Tsaka kapag sinabi nating remote interior angles, dalawa kagad yon. Dalawa ang pinag-uusapan natin. Okay, let us consider this given example. With a given table, column for exterior angle and column for remote interior angles. Can you give example of exterior angle that you can see in the figure? All right, let's say angle 1. This is angle 1. Can you tell me the remote interior angles of angle 1? Very good. The remote interior angles of angle 1 are angle 7 and angle 9. Kasi ito yung dalawang interior angles na hindi kalapit ni angle 1. Ang kalapit kasi nito is angle 8. So basically, the remote interior angles are angle 7 and angle 9. Next exterior angle, angle 2. So this is angle 2. Can you tell me the remote interior angles of angle 2? Very good. They are angle 8 and angle 9. Okay, sana nakukuha na natin yung ating pattern on how to get the remote interior angles of exterior. Now, the last exterior angle here is angle 3. What are the remote interior angles of angle 3? They are angle 7 and angle 8. Very good. How about this given triangle? With this given table, with a column of exterior angle and remote interior angles. Let us cite first one exterior angle here. Let's say we have angle 5. What do you think are the remote interior angles of angle 5? Correct. The remote interior angles of angle 5 are angle 2 and angle 4. How about this? The exterior angle is angle 6. What are the remote interior angles? Great! Angle 2 and angle 3. Last exterior angle. Let us say we have angle 7. Very good. The remote interior angles of angle 7 are angle 3 and angle 4. Well done. Now, what if we are going to put measurement of the angles here in our given triangle? Let's say we have, okay, these are the given. Angle 5 measures 140 degrees. Angle 2 measures 60 degrees. Angle 4 measures 80 degrees. Is it possible for us to find the measure of angle 3, angle 6, and angle 7? What do you think? Alright, so we can still get the measurement of the remaining angles. Let's find out one by one. Okay, first just let us write the measurement of angle 5, which is 140 degrees. Also angle 2, 60 degrees, and angle 4, 80 degrees. Okay, so for us to get the measure of angle 6, look at that. Angle 6 is an exterior angle. At ang kalapit ni angle 6 is angle 4. Tignan mabuti yung angle 4 and angle 6. Can we consider angle 4 and angle 6 a linear pair? Yes, because angle 4 and angle 6 will form a straight line. That is why it will form a linear pair. The sum of the two angles will be equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so ibig sabihin yan, para makuha natin yung measure ni angle 6, ang kabuuang measure nito is 180 degrees. Ay kita natin na ang angle 4 is 80 degrees. So pwede natin itong gawin. Bawasin natin si 80 degrees sa 180 degrees kasi ang kabuuan ng angle 4 at angle 6 ay 180 degrees. 180 degrees minus 80 degrees, the answer is 100 degrees. So meaning to say, the measure of angle 6 is 100 degrees. Alright. Okay, ang angle 2 naman, given na yan, which is 60 degrees. And also, now, we're going to find the measure of angle 3. Look at number 3. Paano kaya natin makukuha yung measure ng angle 3? We can use the method that we have done with angle 4 and 6 dito kay angle 3 and angle 5. Tignan mabuti. Yung angle 5 at angle 3 makakabuo rin ng isang straight line. They are linear pair. So the sum of their measurements is equal to 180 degrees. So isasubtract lang natin si 140 from 180 degrees to get angle 3. 180 degrees minus 140 degrees, the answer is 40 degrees. So basically, the measure of angle 3 is 40 degrees. Okay, isa pang way para makuha natin yung measure ni angle 3, the triangle sum theorem, na kung saan ang measurement or total sum of the measurements of the angles of a triangle that is equivalent to 180 degrees. Pag pinagsama-sama raw natin ang measurement ni angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4, ang sagot ay 180 degrees. Alright, so let's now proceed to the next angle, angle 7. So dito parang alam niyo na kung paano kunin yung angle 7. Yung angle 2 at angle 7, it forms a straight line. They are linear pair. So pwede nating isubtract si 60 degrees from 180 degrees. 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, the answer is 120 degrees. And angle 3 is already given, 40 degrees, and angle 4, 80 degrees. So ayan, kompleto na ang ating table. Na-compute natin ang lahat ng interior angles and exterior angles. Now, let us focus our attention with all of the measurements of the exterior angle. Look, the exterior angle measures 140 degrees, 100 degrees, and 120 degrees. What do you think is the sum of it? Okay, very good. 360 degrees. 360 degrees or 1 revolution. Let us compare the exterior angle to one of the remote interior angles, which the measurements are 60 degrees, 60 degrees, and 40 degrees. Kung mapapansin natin, ang measurement ng exterior angle ay laging mas malaki sa remote interior angle. Okay, dito rin, mas malaki rin siya sa pangalawang remote interior angle. 80 degrees, 40 degrees, and another 80 degrees. So meaning to say, we can conclude that exterior angle is always greater than one of the remote interior angles. Laging mas malaki ang exterior angle sa isang remote interior angle. Hindi pwedeng mas malaki ang remote interior angle sa exterior angle. Okay, so please keep this in mind, this concept. Exterior angle is greater than one of the remote interior angles because the measure of an exterior angle is always greater than the measure of any of the two remote interior angles in a triangle. This is the concept exterior angle inequality theorem. The measure of an exterior angle is always greater than the measure of any of the two remote interior angles in a triangle. Let's get the table from our previous example. Let us compare the exterior angle this time to the two remote interior angles because a while ago, we just compared exterior angle in one of its remote interior angles. Pero ngayon, i-compare natin siya sa dalawang remote interior angles. Let's get the first example of exterior angle, which is angle 5. The remote interior angles of angle 5 are angle 2 and angle 4. The measure of angle 5 is 140 degrees, and the measure of angle 2 is 60 degrees, angle 4 is 80 degrees. Now, observe. Let's think of it. Parang pag kinuha natin yung sum ng dalawang remote interior angles, that will be equivalent to its exterior angle. Because look, 60 degrees plus 80 degrees will be 140 degrees. So therefore, we can conclude that exterior angle is equal to the sum of the remote interior angles. The same with angle 6 and angle 7. Ganun din ang makukuha natin. So this is additional concept for us to remember. Exterior angle is equal the sum of the remote interior angles. Now, let's try this. Given this triangle, number 1, name the interior angles. What do you think are the interior angles? Very good. They are angle 2, angle 4, and angle 9. What about this? Name the exterior angles. Very good. The exterior angles are angle 10, angle 15, and angle 19. How about if we are going to complete this table? We have column for exterior angle and column for its remote interior angles. Let's begin with the first exterior angle. Oh, that's angle 10. What are the remote interior angles of angle 10? Very good. Angle 2 and angle 9. How about the exterior angle is angle 15? What do you think are the remote interior angles? Very good. Angle 4 and angle 9. And for the last exterior angle, we have angle 19. What do you think are the remote interior angles? Alright, they are angle 2 and angle 4. This time, fill in the blanks with the correct relation symbol to show the relation. Okay, we can use greater than or less than based on the concept that we have learned a while ago. Let's start with, let's compare the measure of angle 10 and the measure of angle 2. Look at those angles in the given figure. What do you think is the correct relation symbol for this? Very good. That is greater than. The measure of angle 10 is greater than the measure of angle 2. Basically, angle 10 is an exterior angle. And we know that the measure of exterior angle is always greater than the measure of one of its remote interior angles. How about this? Measure of angle 9 and measure of angle 19. Very good. This will be less than. Measure of angle 9 is less than the measure of angle 19. How about the last one? Measure of angle 4 and measure of angle 15. Very good. Measure of angle 4 is less than the measure of angle 15. Let us consider this given triangle with one of its sides being extended to form angle 1 as exterior angle. All we have to do here is to find the measure of angle 3 and angle 4. Una nating gagawin dito is tignan natin yung angle 3. How is angle 3 related doon sa angle na may measurements? Okay, tignan natin mabuti. Kung mapapansin natin, si angle 3 ay isa sa remote interior angles of angle 1. Pwede nating gamitin yung concept na to. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of the remote interior angles. Ano ba yung exterior angle natin dyan? That is angle 1. Sum of the remote interior angles ay angle 2 and angle 3. So, pwede lang natin itong baliktarin para makuha natin ng mas mabilis yung angle 3. So, we have angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 1. Same lang yan. Ngayon, i-substitute natin yung kanilang given values. Angle 2 is 60 degrees. Wala tayong value ng angle 3 dahil yun ang hinahanap natin. And angle 1 is equal to 145 degrees. So magsosolve tayo ngayon ng equation. At ang hinahanap natin is value of angle 3. First is we are going to use APE here para ma-eliminate natin si 60 degrees from the left side of the equation. So we have 60 degrees minus 60 degrees plus angle 3 is equal to 145 degrees minus 60 degrees. Simplifying this equation, 60 degrees minus 60 degrees is equal to 0. So matitira na lang sa kaliwa is angle 3. And then, 145 degrees minus 60 degrees, the answer is 85 degrees. So therefore, angle 3 is equal to 85 degrees. Yan. Nakuha na natin si angle 3. This time, the only missing angle is So sa angle 4 naman, we have two ways para mahanap natin yung sagot dito. The first way is by using the concept of triangle sum theorem. Ano nga ba ulit yung triangle sum theorem? That is, the sum of the angles of any triangle that is equivalent to 180 degrees. Based on the given figure, angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees. Kasi yun yung mga pangalan ng angles natin sa given triangle. Now, let's substitute the values. Angle 2 measures 60 degrees. Angle 3 measures 85 degrees. And we do not have value of angle 4 because that is the missing angle. Equals 180 degrees. Let's combine the like terms here. We can combine 60 degrees and 85 degrees. 60 degrees plus 85 degrees is 145 degrees plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees. This time, we will use APE to eliminate 145 degrees in the left side of the equation. Ang gagawin natin, magsasubtract tayo ng 145 to both sides. Or magdadagdag tayo ng negative 145 degrees sa both sides of the equation. 145 degrees minus 145 degrees plus angle 4 equals 180 degrees minus 145 degrees. Matitira na lang ay angle 4 is equal to 35 degrees. So that's it. The measure of angle 4 is 35 degrees. Another way to find angle 4, o kahit na na-solve na natin yung angle 4 using the triangle sum theorem, pwede rin natin gamitin yung linear pair postulate. Ito naman ay ang relationship ng angle 1 and angle 4. It forms a straight line. So they are linear pair. So ang sum ng angles ng angle 1 and angle 4, it is equal to 180 degrees. So angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees. Ang may measure lang dito is angle 1, which is 145 degrees. And that will be 145 degrees plus angle 4 equals 180 degrees. Use APE again. 145 degrees minus 145 degrees plus angle 4 equals 180 degrees minus 145 degrees. At ang kalalabasan nito is angle 4 is equal to 35 degrees. So same lang ng magiging sagot kung ang gamitin mo man na concept is by using the linear pair postulate or yung previous concept which is the triangle sum theorem. The same answer lang ang makukuha natin. Okay, now, so for us to fully understand the lesson today, we are going to do these activities. Okay, so pwedeng sagutan sa scratch paper or kahit saan. Pero sa aking mga estudyante dyan, you are going to do this in one whole sheet of paper. This is activity number 1. Copy and answer in one whole sheet of paper. All you have to do is to copy the illustration of this given triangle, answer the following questions, and complete the table. For activity number 2, this is just the continuation. This is again copy and answer in one whole sheet of paper. Fill in the blanks with the correct relation symbol. It could be greater than or less than to show the relationship between the two angles. And activity number 3, find the measure of angle 3 and angle 2. You need to show your complete solution. Okay, so yun lang. Ang kailangan lang natin gawin ay sagutan itong activity number 1, number 2, and number 3 para sa aking mga estudyante ha. Isasubmit ito during face-to-face class. Okay, so that would be all for today. I hope you learned something from this video. And the reference for this lesson is Grade 8 Mathematics Pattern and Practicalities under Gladys M. Nivera. Okay, so thank you so much and see you on my next video. Goodbye.